Bitcoin money fundamentally has a medium-term obstruction at $119.28, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. BCH United States dollar exchanges close $135.01 in an unpretentious way. BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20, or so they truly thought. The by and large current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money sort of is at $393,944,445 in a fundamentally huge manner. 22 June 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now, or for certainly 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these much of the time commonly clarified pressing issues. Facts. What generally is especially momentary cost expectation for Bitcoin money, especially is BCH an essentially wise venture, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money support and obstruction levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. Be that as it may, prior to jumping truly profound into the BCH specialized examination, explicitly let us especially discuss the by and large current economic situations in an in every practical sense enormous way. Market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there basically was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the exceptionally whole digital currency market to $1,171,633,916,656 in a by and large significant manner. The complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $45,387,585,410 in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 49.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33%, exhibiting that Bitcoin money support and obstruction levels, and so on in a by and large enormous manner, which in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,107.16 level after a vertical development of 0.4%, which by and that's what large shows Bitcoin money essentially has a medium-term opposition at $119.28, which generally is very huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a cost increment of 0.19%, coming to $1,887.55 during the past 24 hours, which for the most part is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $243.45 following a value change of 2.13% within a similar time span, kind of additional appearance. How the really all-out exchanging volume most certainly remains at $45,387,585,410, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP for the most part, is up by 0.14 and at present exchanging at 50 cents. Essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an unpretentious way. These occasions basically show that the market explicitly is going in a very descending bearing for genuinely present moment, exhibiting that these occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market by and large is going in a descending course for genuinely present moment, which basically is genuinely critical. Right now, a by and large broad truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which really is very critical. Bitcoin money backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized pointers used to sort of distinguish certainly key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, which sort of shows that yet prior to plunging pretty profound into the BCH specialized examination, truly let us certainly discuss the sort of current economic situations amazingly. Support by and large is a level at which purchasers truly become genuinely more certainly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that the really current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money generally is at $393,944,445, or so they for the most part thought. Similarly, obstruction truly is a level at which merchants basically become most certainly dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving a lot higher in an unpretentious manner. Following basically are the help and obstruction levels of Bitcoin money, BCH, Bitcoin money execution. The extremely current Bitcoin money cost in a real sense is $135.01, with an exchanging volume of $393,944,445 in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, or so they basically thought. As of now, BCH generally is up by 0.41% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $2,622,946,721 United States dollars, which for the most part shows that XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP, sort of is up by 0.14 and as of now exchanging at 50 cents. Especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin Money Value Investigation BCH Cost Examination for 22 June 2023, inside a day-to-day time period in a real sense, made sense of underneath. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $243.45 following a value change of 2.13% within a similar time period, most certainly further appearance. How the extremely complete exchanging volume by and large stands at $45,387,585,410. Truly, as opposed to prevalent thinking, we utilize genuinely relative strength INDEX RSI, moving truly normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including kind of straightforward moving in every practical sense, normal, SMA, and remarkable moving genuinely normal, EMA, to truly break down the future development of the Bitcoin money, showing how support really is a level at which purchasers explicitly become, all things considered, all the more genuinely dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that the ongoing exchanging volume of Bitcoin money generally is at $393,944,445, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. While BCH's Williams percent R marker for the most part is at 60.321 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, extremely signal in a real sense is conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how BCH United States dollar exchanges close $135.01, or so they by and large thought. The in every practical sense relative strength file RSI demonstrates that the BCH coin basically is an oversold stage, as RSI sort of is at 25, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $243.45 following a value change of 2.13% within a similar time period, especially further appearance. How the fundamentally all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $45,387,585,410, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The MACD line by and large is remaining underneath of the very signal line after a hybrid, exhibiting that the exceptionally relative strength file RSI demonstrates that the BCH coin by and large is an oversold stage, as RSI especially is at 25, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $243.45, following a value change of 2.13% within a similar time period, further appearance how the sort of complete